Today we will be demonstrating how to use the Alter Columns tile in Magic ETL in Domo. This video is one of many helpful tutorials in our Magic ETL playlist. Be sure to check it out after this video to learn more about Domo. The Alter Columns tile allows you to rename, remove, or change the data type of any column in your dataset. The first step to utilizing the Alter Columns tile is ensuring that you have an input dataset. Without an input dataset, we will have no data to reference and replace. It is always a best practice to name your data flow. Under the Utility Actions section on the left-hand menu of your screen you will find the Alter Columns tile. Drag that tile onto your canvas. Connect your Alter Columns tile to your input dataset tile. In today's example, we will be renaming, removing, and changing the data type of the columns in our dataset. Let's begin by altering a column. First, select the column ID. Leave the Rename column prompt as no change because we will not be renaming our column. Then, select Text as the cast data type. This will change the data type from its original integer value to a text value. Now, let's select the Date column. We will rename the column to Transaction Date. Finally, let's select the Expense column to be dropped. Now we will want to create an output dataset for this change to reside. Let's see how this looks in our data. As you can see, we have successfully changed the data type of the ID column to text, renamed the Date column to Transaction Date, and removed the Expense column. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to Arigato Analytics for more tips for Domo users.